So starting the test drive in this Nissan Frontier, the naturally aspirated 4-cylinder is actually pretty, it's interesting. It doesn't need that much to get up to speed, but where the 4-speed kind of shows that it doesn't have that many gears is when you're trying to get up past 40 miles an hour. You kind of shift 2 or 3 times and then you're almost running out of steam there. But it is fun to drive. Now the ride quality is actually not bad at all, with this being the kind of truck that it is. I will say the overdrive button there, if you want to get that final shift, you want to hold that in, and I don't know if that's supposed to do that or if that's just something that needs to be fixed on here. And then as you get up to speed here, with the truck being so small, you're just getting a tad bit of wind noise. But the braking power is phenomenal. So we're gonna turn it around here and put our foot down. Yeah, it gets up to around 40 like nothing. But I do like with this not working because I can really put my foot into it. And it's fun to drive. Just having that 2.4 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. I feel like I'm in a Sentra or something like that. But of course, with these older vehicles, you'll run into weird things that they do, just in terms of how that speedometer is working, how the overdrive works. I mean, this came out way before I could drive, so I could be doing something completely wrong. If I am, just let me know in the comments so I can kind of laugh at myself. But especially for just driving around town, I feel like this is a really good option. More fuel efficient than getting the bigger V6s in the newer Frontiers. But of course, trucks have just gotten bigger over the years, and this one does not drive like a newer extended cab Frontier, which that's totally fine. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2000 Nissan Frontier in the XC trim level.